how to add overlay in CapCut. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can add overlay in CapCut very easily. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. For adding overlays, so firstly open the CapCut. So when you will open the CapCut, here you can see new project, so you can select any videos. So for example, now I am selecting these videos. So after this, click on add options. So after click on add options, so here you can see overlay options, so click on overlay, and then you can see the options of add overlay, so click on it, and then here you can select the another video. So after this you can see here there are different video. So after this, click on add options. So after click on add options, so you can see two videos are added. So if you want to add a layer like this, so firstly move this video into the horizontal. So after this, here you can see when you will move the options on the left side, you can see here a transform options. So here you can see a transform options. So you can see transform options. So when you will click on it, and here again this video also change into horizontal. So after this, here you can see transform options. So again rotate this video. So after this, you can see after this, select first video and change the positions. So you can see when you will click on again on it the another video, so you can also change the positions by click on it. So after this, you can see two videos are added. So when I will play this video, so you can see it show like this. So guys, in this way you can add overlay on the CapCut. If this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.